welcome back or to the channel. Definitely looking forward to the weekend and helping out my uncle. So my mom's been staying here a couple days. She's gotten some work done. And I'm gonna bring down my lawn tractor, a couple chainsaws, kind of cut some bushes back, then use the lawnmower to mulch most of those bushes, minus the big stuff. But I remember this tree when I was a kid, and I also remember the what do you call it? The river going in between the properties, which is gorgeous and sounds beautiful. Anyways, this is some of the countryside, which I thought was absolutely phenomenal just to view it. My truck kind of skews it because it's a little bit dirty in the windows, but hey, it's the view that matters.